back to Analytics Insight. This is your host Samarpita, and today we will be talking about generative AI. In this video, we will explore what generative AI is, how it works, and provide some easy to understand examples. So let's get started. Generative AI, simply put, is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new content such as images, music, and even text. It's like having a machine that can imagine and generate things on its own. Instead of following fixed rules, generative AI learns patterns from existing data and uses that knowledge to generate something entirely new and unique. But how does generative AI actually work? Imagine you have a computer program that wants to generate realistic-looking human face. It starts by analyzing thousands of real human faces and learning the patterns and features that make a face look real. This program is called generative model. The generative model then uses what it has learned to create new faces that look like real people. It combines different features and puts them together to generate faces that don't actually exist in the real world. It's like a computer is dreaming up its own faces. But how does the computer know if the faces it generates actually look real or not? That's where another program called a discriminator comes in. The discriminator's job is to look at a face and determine if it's real or generated. It's like a detective trying to catch these faces. During training, the generative model and the discriminator play a game. The generative model tries to create faces that look like real enough to fool the discriminator, while the discriminator tries to get better at telling the difference between the real and the generated ones. As they keep playing the game, the generative model gets smarter and starts generating faces that look more and more realistic. Eventually, it becomes challenging for the discriminator to spot the difference between the real and the generated ones. That's when we know the generative model has become really good at its job. Now, let's see some cool examples of generative AI in action. Have you ever seen those realistic-looking landscapes or animal paintings that don't actually exist in real life? Those can be created by generative AI algorithms like deep art. They learn from real paintings and generate new ones that look just as beautiful. Another example is text generation. Generative models like OpenAI's GPT can write stories, articles, and even poems. They learn from huge amount of text data and can generate new and coherent text on various topics. It's like having an AI-powered writer at your fingertips. Lastly, let's talk about music. Generative AI algorithms can also compose original music. Platforms like JukeDeck and Amper Music allows users to create custom soundtracks for their videos. By specifying the mood, genre, and tempo, the generative AI algorithm generates unique and catchy tunes that fit the desired style. And that's the beauty of generative AI. It opens up a world of possibilities for creating new content. From generating stunning artwork and writing captivating text to composing music, generative AI adds a touch of creativity to the power of artificial intelligence. That wraps up today's video. If you find this information interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.